In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a row in Smartsheet. Unlocking a row is useful when you need to edit information that's currently protected, or when you want to give yourself or your team more flexibility in updating the sheet. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can confidently unlock any row you have permission to change. First, make sure you're signed into your Smartsheet account and that you've opened the specific sheet where the row is locked. You should be in the main grid view where you can see your rows and columns laid out like a spreadsheet. On the far left side of the grid, you'll find a narrow column that contains row numbers and icons related to each row. Look closely at the row you want to unlock. In the leftmost column, next to the row number, you'll see a small lock icon. This icon indicates that the row is currently locked and cannot be edited by users without the proper permissions. To begin unlocking the row, move your mouse over that lock icon. Now, click directly on the lock icon in the column on the left corner of that row. When you click it, Smartsheet will recognize that you're trying to change the row's lock status. At this point, a confirmation dialog box or pop-up window will appear on your screen. This is Smartsheet's way of making sure you really intend to unlock the row, since unlocking can change who is able to edit that information. In the confirmation window, you'll usually see a short message explaining that you're about to unlock the row, and that this will allow editing based on the sharing permissions of the sheet. Take a quick moment to read the message so you're aware of the impact, especially if you're collaborating with others. Once you're ready to proceed, click the OK button in the confirmation window. After you click OK, the dialog will close, and you should notice that the lock icon next to your row either disappears or changes appearance, indicating that the row is now unlocked. At this point, the row is editable according to your sheet's permissions. You can now update cells, change values, or make any other necessary adjustments.